everyone! Welcome back to our channel and experience luxury living in this modern tropical home with jacuzzi, fully furnished and located in an exclusive subdivision here in Angeles City. Before we begin, please don't forget to click like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to get more updates on our videos. This is your host Anna and Real Blueprint Properties, Pampanga. Your carport. Start tayo sa ating carport dahil kita nyo naman, umuulan. But, fully covered lang yung carport. So, your vehicles or your cars, ang luwang. Kanina nung tinitignan, nabigla ako. Kanina kasi yung tinignan ko, parang hindi siya ganito kaluwang. But kapag pala linakad mo siya, maluwang yung kanyang carport. Spacious for 2 vans. Ganon siya kaluwang. Fully covered. So, safe po yung mga sasakyan ninyo. At, yung space niya, even 2 vans siya, hindi magbubungguan yung mga pintuan pag binuksan mo. Ganun siya kaluwang. Fully covered, you have your manual gate here. And maganda dito, yung slope natin. So even if meron kayong cars, yung mga sedan na mabababa, hindi po yan sasayad dahil yung slope natin, good siya for your cars. Alright, mabilis lang tayo dito dahil umuulan nga. This is your entrance gate. You have a very pretty, spacious garden. Landscape na rin yan. And pasisilipin ko kayo dito because this is a walkway going to your jacuzzi, what I mentioned earlier na meron tayong jacuzzi dito. So itong daan na to, pakita na lang natin sa mga videos kasi, sa mga videos because ayan nga, umuulan. Na, yung daan dito going to your jacuzzi. Pero I want to emphasize your accent wall. So these are tiles na inarrange sila na magbumukha silang mga bricks. Look at that. Very nice. Diba? And you have your fence na hindi siya fully, well, it's high, pero hindi siya close. So you have a view of your gorgeous landscape garden and a peek of your jacuzzi. Ang ganda naman dito. This is your garden. You have your elevated porch. And, of course, meron kang solid door. Ayan. So, yung solid door, meron kang accent here of wood and you have a glass. Para kung nasa loob ka, pwede mong masilip kung sino yung mga dumating. Your solid door, may mga designs ka rin dyan na para mga bricks din. Para lang mag-complement siya dun sa mga design mo dito. And I mentioned this is fully furnished. Nakita nyo naman kung gaano kaganda yung ating living area. Kaya po kami doon nag-intro. Kaya, pasok na tayo. And, pagpasok mo, this is your receiving area. Ang cute lang niya dahil, diba, yung partition ng yung stairwell to your receiving area, meron siyang design. Parang herringbone yung design ng ating partition. Which gives emphasis or which shows yung height ng your beam. Yan, yung height niya. Diba? And agad kong na-notice yung tiles natin. Yung tiles natin, hindi siya yung ordinary cut. Kung mapapansin nyo, ang pagkaka-cut niya, katulad nung nandun sa accent wall natin, dun sa corner, that looks like bricks na pinagdikit-dikit. Sobrang artistic ng pagkakagawa ng property natin. Ang daming detail. And sobrang intricate ng mga details natin. Balik tayo kung saan tayo nag-intro, which is your living area. This is your living area. Dito tayo nag-intro kanina. Tignan nyo naman. You know kung bakit kami dito nag-intro. Very Instagrammable, parang magazine. Pag tinignan mo siya, isipin mo na parang studio. But this is your living area kapag ikaw ang nag-purchase ng property na ito. Lahat yan, everything goes with the property, lahat ng nakikita po ninyo. Custom made, kaya mapapansin nyo yung design niya. Swak na swak dito sa measurement niya, even here. The measurement ng yung sofa, swak na swak, even going to this corner, because it is custom made. Even your center table, ito ang kanina ko pa tinitignan. These are like chips of wood that they, put together to create this very artistic center table. Nice. The carpet pa nga eh, di ba? Ang ganda pa ng kulay ng carpet. It complements your artwork here. Of course, the aircon is included. Look at your ceiling. You have an accent detail on your ceiling. You have a detail there. Kung mapapansin nyo, wala kayong makikitang masyadong ilaw. There are, like this one, we have 2 spotlights here, 2 spotlights there. Pero kung mapapansin nyo, very, well-distributed naman yung ilaw natin. So yung mga, our lights are parang well-placed sa mga spot kung saan mas makikita yung ganda ng ating property. You have your side table here, na very artistic din. And since nandiyan na rin naman tayo, pakita ko na sa inyo ang inyong jacuzzi. That is your jacuzzi. So, yes, hindi siya pool kasi jacuzzi talaga ang kanyang main purpose. Labas na tayo para mapakita na natin habang wala masyadong ulan. So there, that is your jacuzzi. Hindi lang po naka-on, but meron niyang ilaw. Of course, meron niyang mga, nozzles niya for massage. Meron po yan. Accent wall, so pretty. Ito yung daan kanina, I'll show you. At mahaba pa siya. So if you want to add more plants, pwede kang mag-add na marami pang plants dito. You can stay there, it's okay. Papakita ko lang. And then yun yung garden mo kanina. Alright, so ito ang iyong walkway going to your jacuzzi. Let's go. And pagpasok mo, you have a guest room na may view of your jacuzzi, queen size bed, aircon, meron ka ng bed frame, side tables, and you also have built-in cabinets. Wow! Tignan mo yung built-in cabinets mo. You have drawers inside. Cool. This side naman, shelves. And it has an ensuite toilet and bath since guest room siya. Wow, ang spacious naman ng ensuite toilet and bath natin. Look. Square ang kanyang shape is, square yung shape niya. Vessel type sink. Look at that. Pati sa CR tropical yung iyong vibe. You have your tempered glass partition. Makita mo ang taas, no? And of course, you have your stainless steel shower set. Meron ka rin ditong for your TV. Pwede mong i-mount yung TV dito. Pwede mo rin naman siyang ipatong dito. But this is your console. Let's go. Paglabas natin, this is your dining area. Parang vacation vibe. Feeling mo nasa Feeling mo nasa Bora ka. 'Di ba? And look at this mirror. Meron siyang accent katulad ng ating center table. This is a 6-seater round dining set. Same po, custom made po ito. So this is made solely for the property and look at the colors. Same. Makita nyo, hindi yung colors natin nagpa-pop bawat isa. So sobrang naha-highlight yung kulay nagpa-pop yung mga colors kapag tinamaan talaga. No? Pag nakita mo talaga, ang ganda talaga kasi, nakakainis naman. Ayan. So, very spacious pa rin ang yung dining area. Kung gusto mo tong lakihan pa, or if you opt to have a rectangular table, pwede rin naman because you still have ample space here. Ganyan pa siya kaluwang. So, kung halimbawa you want a rectangular table, 10-seater pwede, 8-seater pwede pa rin siya. At sakto pa rin siya sa ating drop light or our chandelier. Ang ganda ng chandelier natin. Alam mo yung pagkakagawa niya, yung mga materials ng property, or even like this one, yung mga pinagtabasang mga wood, hindi sila nasasayang talaga. And so artistic na naka-incorporate nila sa design na tropical design ng property. Ang ganda-ganda. Even yung walls natin, di ba yung ating tiles, yung sa floor natin, yung pagkakadesign niya like bricks. This one naman, textured tiles sila and then very rustic naman yung dating niya. So pretty. Dito tayo sa ating formal kitchen. Tignan mo gaano ka spacious dito. Pwede ka pa mag-add dito ng cabinet kung gusto mo maglagay ng coffee corner. If that is not yet enough for you, you can still put here. Sobrang daming pwede mong ilagay. This is your formal kitchen. As you can see, that is your, you have 3 stools. This is your breakfast nook or your preparation area. Look at that. You have cabinet din dito. Yes. Oh, kung gusto mong alisin to, pwede ito malagay yung sa coffee mo, pwede rin naman. So nice. And ito, hindi lang to basta-basta preparation area because you also have cabinets here. Oh, may mga cabinets ka rin dito. There. Alright. You have your cooktop and your range hood. These are included. Double bowl stainless steel sink. At ang yung splash board. Very artistic. Ang ganda. Kulay blue. Ito yung mga tiles. Pero kung titignan mo, mukha talaga silang stones. So nice. And, ayan, may mga drawers ka rin dyan. Tapos, ang spacious ng sink mo. Look at your sink. Your sink, yeah, ang wide ng double bowl stainless steel sink mo, oh. Diba? Tapos, you have a view of your carport. Aircon included. The aircons, lahat nakikita mo included. Everything goes with the house. And this one too. Let's look at your drawers. Tignan mo to, ang cute ng pagkaka-design niya. Di ba parang pa-chimney yung design niya? So cute. Hindi lang siya basta-basta kinover. They created something really, nice to look at. Di ba? Alright, you have a door here. And this is your maid's room. Ito yung maid's room mo. Good for a single bed or with a double deck na single. But, meron pa siyang space doon. Kasi maluwang siya, yun. May space pa siya if you want to put dresser. Also, meron siyang sarili niyang bathroom. Your bathroom is, you have a toilet and you also have a shower area. Ayan. This door goes to your dirty kitchen, laundry area, and your pool or your jacuzzi control area. Ito yung iyong, this is your laundry area and your dirty or your service area. Ito naman, dito po nakalagay ang iyong, meron kang tank. So ito yung daan going to your jacuzzi. Ang ganda nga kasi sa side na to, pwede ka pa maglagay ng table if you want to hang here, to hang out dito. Pwede, you can put a bar here, diba? Or, bar for your coffee or pwede namang pang liquor. Right? Balik tayo. Pasok tayo and balik tayo sa ating very pretty. Ayan, ito. Oh, diba? Kanina, hindi ko alam kung nakita pero yan yung mga, sobrang spacious pa niya. Pag nagpe-prepare ka, you have cabinets here. And, emphasize natin yung space dito para lang makita nila. This property has a 180 square meters floor area and, lot area and your floor area is 260 square meters. Kita tayo. Nakita niyo yung room kanina. Very pretty siya, no? Mas maganda yung mga rooms din natin sa second floor. Alright, before tayo umakyat, tignan mo naman yung stairs na. Yung stairwell natin, maluwang, pwedeng pang 2 tao na, like 2-way. You have your powder room here. So I just show you the powder room. There you go. You have your toilet and your scissor. Kita? Hindi. Okay. So ito, powder room siya. Just to maximize yung ating rin. Stairwell. Ganda naman yung chandelier natin. Hindi ko to na-notice kanina. Alright, akyat na tayo para makita natin mga rooms sa second floor. Let's go. Gusto ko lang appreciate tong corner na to. Kasi dito, kita mo yung side ng garden. Ang ganda. And then, wide yung window mo. So, ayan, meron tayong mga blinds. Cover lang yan. But if you don't want blinds, pwede ka rin naman maglagay ng curtain. No, mas neat lang talaga pag blinds. And, pag akyat mo, di ba, ang luwang talaga ng akyatan. Agad ko na-notice yung ating wall, accent wall. Look at your tiles. Ang ganda ng tiles niya, rustic na parang sand nga yung dating sa akin. So, very tropical nga siya. And your console! Look at that! Ang ganda ng console natin. Tapos maglagay ka dito ng tulips, no? Mga flowers, fresh flowers. You have your accent art dito. Your ceiling, if I may mention, meron tayong mga fluted panels na may konting, parang medyo drop ceiling, and your pretty chandelier. Babad natin sa side na to dahil sa magandang view. Diba? Ang ganda. This goes to your balcony. Papasukin na natin. Covered ang balcony natin so you don't have to worry. Spacious din siya. I'm not sure if these are Bristolay or ano. Kasi yung alam ko yung mga Bristolay, medyo pa-side sila. But this is like accent siya. But I think, oo, Bristolay ito. Pero yung gap niya, mas maluluwang lang. Alright, so nice. Nakita mo ba kung gaano siya kaluwang, kung gaano siya kahaba? You can add, ako nai-imagine ko parang mga pool table, yung mga maliliit na pool table dito, no? Or coffee table. You can also put artificial grass if gusto mo pang maglagay pa ng halaman. But yun nga, ang sarap mag-breakfast dito sa side na to. This side, this is your master bedroom. So hindi mo na siya papasukin para makita niyo kung paano or how it's gonna look like pag lumabas tayo doon. Let's go. Diretso na tayo. Ang ganda talaga, no? Kahit saan ka tumingin, pwede ka mag-picture. Lalagpasan ko to dahil yan yung master bedroom mo. All your bedrooms here, meron tayong ensuite toilet and bath. But for now, this is a special room. So this can be your linen room. No, yung mga linens natin dyan. Or, pwede na siyang office. Diba? Pwede ka maglagay ng mga things dyan if gusto mo siyang gawing office. A playroom. Diba? So, this is your versatile room. Very spacious. May mga socket ka rin. You have window. And, ayan, may mga shelves ka. Or if you have your collections, your bags, your shoes, pwede rin siya dito. So, that's your special room. Next. Your bedroom with ensuite toilet and bath. And look how gorgeous this bedroom is. Straight lang. Look at that. Gaano ka spacious dito. Stay there. I'll show you. Spacious. Kaya mong lumakad ng hindi ka nag-aalala kung may tatamaan ka. Ganoon siya kaluwang. This is a queen size bed with bed frame. Of course, aircon. That yan included. You have a built-in cabinet. Katulad nung nasa babaeng design. So cute. Meron ka pa sa taas and shelves. Alright. Ensuite toilet and bath. Of course, meron kang console dyan for your TV. And your toilet and bath. Ang ganda. Look at your accent wall. Diba? Ang ganda ng design. Tempered glass partition. Stainless steel shower set. And look at dito. Vanity mirror with a tropical accent. Vessel type sink na very, malaki. Salt and pepper granite na lavatory countertop. And ayan, ang iyong toilet. Meron ka pang dito. Tapos look at your door. Alam na alam mong CR siya because you have a, smoke glass. No? So cute. Para talagang hotel. Ganda. Next, let's go. Second room. Oh, wow. Okay, this is... Alright, I'll show you how spacious it is. Oh, di ba? Another spacious bedroom. Ang ganda kasi yung third floor natin, talaga nag-concentrate siya sa space ng ating mga bedrooms. Queen size bed again. Spacious yung area natin. And there, as you can see, here, kung gusto mo maglagay ng, like, this is your TV console. If gusto mo maglagay ng study table, pwede ka pa maglagay ng study table dito. Ganun siya ka-spacious. Of course, ensuite toilet and bath. This time, iba yung design niya. Kasi this one, ayan. Ay, meron siyang additional cabinets inside. So, this is your shower area, tempered glass partition, na ang ganda ng division natin. Because, floor to ceiling po yung ating tempered glass partition. Very nice. Stainless steel shower set. At ang iyong accent wall. Ganda, floor to ceiling tiles po. So pretty. And, okay. So you can see a cabinet dyan sa labas because nandito sa loob yung cabinet natin. Pagpasok natin, kung hinahanap mo yung closet mo dun sa labas, wala siya because nandito siya sa loob. Ang galing. Ang galing lang kasi na-maximize talaga yung space natin. Meron ka pa sa taas. And that is your second bedroom on your second floor. Next, ito yung linagpasan natin because this is your master bedroom. Kung nagandahan ka na dun sa dalawa or dun sa mga bedrooms natin, well, mapapawaw ka lalo dito. Pagpasok mo, cabinets, L-shape po ang cabinets natin. Ang yung built-in cabinet. Built-in cabinets. Ganyan siya kadami pagpasok mo. There, you can see that. And from there, sige sir, atras ka lang. Pakita ko lang yung view ng ating bedside. You have your bedside drawers at meron kang spotlights. Actually, these are track lights or spotlights, no? You have your headboard. You have a king-size bed na meron pang pull-out yan dito para sa yung mga linens or your, let's see. Yeah, may pull-out drawer ka. Linens, no? Tignan mo naman, ang dami talaga nung ano mo, ng yung mga cabinets dito. Tapos pag nagbihis ka, sobrang spacious pa. You have a couch. Kung mapapansin nyo, yung size niya, dahil custom-made po yan, saktong-sakto siya dito sa ating bed. You have a center table na meron ding design nung katulad doon sa baba yung mga chipwoods natin. Ang ganda. And of course, your TV console. You can mount your TV here or pwede mo yung ipatong dyan. Alright? Okay. Dito yung iyong master bathroom. Spacious master bathroom. Wow, ang ganda ng accent natin sa wall. Very sobrang tropic, beach vibe ba siya talaga, no? So nice. Spacious ang iyong shower area, floor to ceiling ang iyong partition or tempered glass partition. And what I like about it, yung tiles mo, hindi siya yung tiles na, para siyang fabric. Parang fabric style yung tiles mo, but it's tiles. Pero pag nakita mo siya, textured and then parang fabric style siya. Ang ganda. And then, floor to ceiling pa rin ang tiles natin. You have your accent dyan. Spacious din yung iyong lavatory here. Your sink, vessel type sink. Salt and pepper granite. Sa space na to, pwede ka pa maglagay ng hamper there. Or dito, trash can, pwede rin. Ganun siya ka-spacious. Also, kanina, dito tayo. Dito yung, this door goes to your balcony. Ayan. So, nakita nyo naman kung gano'ng kalong yung balcony natin. Yun. Yun lang pinakita kong door. So, yun. Yun yung iyong access going to your balcony. Look at this. Ay, ang ganda ng color kasi pink siya. Diba? So nice. Lahat yan included na. Uuwi ka na lang talaga. Meron ka lang mga linens, meron ka lang comforter. Lahat nandito na. Dalhin mo na lang yung bagahe mo. So nice. Okay? Oh, that's it. So, balik na tayo sa ating ground floor para sa ating recap. And for our recap, this is a modern tropical design residential in Angeles City with jacuzzi and fully furnished. This is located in a exclusive subdivision, 24-hour security service. Meron din mga amenities dito. And wide po ang mga roads natin. This is also flood-free and is also in close proximity to major business establishment. Para naman sa ating property and highlights, or mga, my favorites, I would say. But you can also comment kung ano yung mga paborito nyo dito sa property because ang daming detail. Umpisa natin sa labas, yung garden, spacious, and maganda yung ating landscape garden. Your parking area, good for 2 vehicles. Very spacious din, fully covered, and also yung slope natin doon na perfect din para sa mga sedan. May mga nagsasabi kasi na parang, we always mention vans, ganon, but sometimes the cars, may ibang mga properties na hindi sila makapag-park ng mga sedan nila dahil sumasayad nga. But this one, yung slope niya, perfect siya para sa inyong mga sports cars. So, ano pa ba? Your interior, my goodness, ang ganda. Pagpasok mo pa lang, feeling mo talaga nasa studio ka. Very cozy, staycation vibe talaga yung dating natin. Very tropical and very cozy. Yung ating dining area, I love dahil not your usual design na makikita nyo. Usually kasi makita mo rectangular yung mga design ng ating mga tables. But this one, circular siya. But if mas gusto mo yung, you have an option, if gusto mo siyang i-change, yung space mo, enough pa rin yung space mo if you want to change your dining set. But you know what? This looks very nice na talaga. Ang ganda-ganda ng ating dining area and your dining set. Your spacious formal kitchen where we are having our recap ngayon. So, makikita nyo, spacious, hindi ka basta-basta, makakagalaw ka ng maayos kapag ikaw ay nagluluto. What else? Gusto ko na meron siyang bedroom sa first floor. Ibig sabihin, pwede ka nang tumanda sa property na to. Your jacuzzi, very relaxing, guys. Meron siyang mga massage nozzle, so, you can really relax doon sa ating jacuzzi. Your rooms, lahat po with ensuite toilet and bath. And all rooms are spacious. And, talagang move-in ready na po ang ating property. Kaya if you're interested, please don't hesitate to contact us. We're Blueprint Properties Pampanga. You can message us on Facebook, catch us on our Facebook page, Blueprint Properties Pampanga, our Instagram account, Blueprint Properties Pampanga. Follow us on TikTok, and for sure, nakita nyo na ang Reels nito bago pa ninyo nakita ang full video dito sa YouTube because we are posting Reels sa ating TikTok account and sa ating Facebook page. Our TikTok account is BP Pampanga. You can also follow me on TikTok, Enalalu, and Instagram, Enalalu, because you can book your trippings before pa po nala-launch ang ating full video. So if you like what you see, message us and don't hesitate kung halimbawa you don't have your social media handles, meron po tayong ibang mga messaging platforms. We have our mobile numbers dyan. We also have Viber, WhatsApp, email, and what else? Ayan, sa YouTube, makikita nyo po sa description natin ang ating mga contact details. Kaya, kung hindi ka pa naman nakasubscribe, please don't hesitate or please don't forget to click like, subscribe, and hit the bell button to get more updates on our videos. This is your host, Enna, and we're Blueprint Properties Pampanga, where your house is.